Hey, good morning, my people. How is all? This is your boy again this morning, David. I'm here again live from my FX studio. This is one of our trades that we forecasted, and it's going exactly to the direction that we forecasted. You know, it's really going. It's a sweet trade right now. It's making the moves that we forecasted. I just said, let me do a little recap this morning about this and show people that our trade is going exactly as we forecasted. So, people, please just keep enjoying yourself in this trade. Let's just keep enjoying ourselves. I'm enjoying myself because the trade is going exactly to the direction that I forecasted. And this, I really love this. So I'm really happy. So, people, please, I would appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, and just let me know what you think. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Thanks very much. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. Have a good one.